Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error. It's easy. 0x80070057. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, just click here, site background apps, and now just turn off this one. Turn it off. Go back and go to task manager. Now go to startup. Now disable this one. I mean, if you find it disabled here, just enable it and go back. And now go to Windows updates. Here you need to make sure to install all the updates that you will find here, and then let's move to the next step. Type here apps and features, then type here Minecraft launcher. Click on it, click advanced options, scroll down until you find here repair, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.